Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Edge 60 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, you need to tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by tapping on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in the first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. When you're finished, tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now it's time to select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories though, like contacts, you need to hit allow a few more times and then access your files. When you're ready, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up, and the site with connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on Motorola device. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your 60 Pro camera at this code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And then connect, hitting Receive button. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!